everybody. I hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Anita, and today we're going to talk about our mindsets. What's the best? What's the best that could happen to you today? I want you to start thinking this way about every area of your life. What's the best scenario for your finances? What's your goals? What's your wishes? What's your heart's desire? What's the best that could happen in your love life? Is there a specific person you are wanting to attract? What if they suddenly showed up in your life? You'd be like, oh, wow, that's so cool. Start thinking along these lines. What if this did work out? What's the best scenario for my life? What would I want to create in my own life if anything is possible? Well, anything is possible. You just need to get your mind aligned with what you want. You want your heart aligned with it, and you want your words and thoughts aligned with it. So start thinking, what's the best that could happen? And you'll see amazing results. Start thinking this way, start talking this way, start writing this way, script writing. And write out what you want to happen. Make it a story. Make it a year long. This time next year, I'll be married to so-and-so. And whatever it is that you want, I'll be making $120,000 a year. I have high-paying clients, and they value what I have to offer. You want to totally wipe out the negative. Now, if your thoughts are getting negative or something pops in there, just negate it with positive ones. For every negative, replace it with 3 positive ones. And just keep thinking that way on purpose. Do this for 90 days and see what happens. Keep track of it. It's awesome. But really work on your positive attitudes, your positive speech, and everything that you want to manifest. And I'll link to some helpful videos I've made and everything. And please like, share, and subscribe. I love you all. God bless you all. And I hope you have an amazing day today. Bye for now.